Okay, so just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what I did. First of all, there was a wire from here and from here that I snipped off, and those were going to some really bad wiring that was all up in here, connected to some resistors that were really badly connected to the body, as well as all up in here. And actually this is still in here and I can't get it out because it's really wedged pretty nicely down in there. Oh, maybe I got it. Even if I got it, I can't seem to get the rest of it out. So here it stays for the time being. Basically, what was going on here was the previous owner had some really crappy aftermarket HIDs going on, and so yeah, it was kept blowing relays. It kept blowing relays, and I would drive down the road, hit a pothole or something, and the headlights would go out. And so after the second time replacing the relay, I decided to just gut the system and rewire it from scratch. So I'll show you guys what I gutted out. It's these, I don't know what kind of kit this is, but pretty cheap wiring that was done to get this stuff to work. So I ripped it all out, and for the most part, I mean, there's a little bit of evidence still here. I'm a little bit lazy here. I'm going to replace this battery as soon as it gives me an issue. And then these resistors are just left in there for now. I did have to snip some wiring. So for example, in here, it's mostly, like, this is still here. I could probably actually get this off right now. Okay, so unplug that, and that will go with the rest of this junk. Okay, so what I had to do was, originally, in this area right here in this sleeve, there was a three-way, the 9003 plug, and looked like this one, but of course it was old. It was the original one, and what I had to do was I had to snip that and then splice into it with these vampire clips, so I could actually run some more cable, some new wire down the front, along the front, and to here, to the driver's side, because the driver's side had no 9003 plug. It had been it's gone. The previous owner had cut it away, I think, to do the wiring that was over here. So I had to rerun it here from the passenger side that luckily still had the old original socket. So what I did was I installed LED lights. They're pretty nice. They're really bright. They're probably a little too bright for reflector lenses, but their pattern is a lot more focused and better than the HIDs, which were really blue. They were probably 6000 color, which these are, I think, 5400, but they're closer to a 5K. So I'll show you guys what they look like. And so yeah, they are nice and clean white. Now these LED bulbs have a small fan and heat sink on them. They're not exposed right now, but yeah, so that's what I had to do to redo my headlights on my 2008 Yaris. All right, I hope this helped somebody. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and check out some of my other stuff. Peace.